Now in this video we'll be learning about motions with uniform acceleration. In order to analyze these sort of motions, we have four main equations. The first one is v equals u plus at. The second one is s equals ut plus half at square. The third one is v square equals u square plus 2as. And the fourth one is s equals u plus v divided by 2 into t, where u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, s is the displacement, and t is the time taken. Now let's move on to this question in order to see how we can apply these equations. Before solving this question, let's write down the data given in this question. If an object starting from rest, that is the initial velocity is 0, moves with a constant acceleration for 10 seconds, therefore the time taken is 10 seconds, acquires a velocity of 30 meters per second, that is the final velocity is 30 meters per second. We have to calculate the acceleration and the distance traveled. In order to find the acceleration, we can use the equation v equals u plus at, where v is 30 meters per second and u is 0 meters per second, and let's say the acceleration is a and the time taken is 10 seconds. Therefore we have a is equal to 30 divided by 10 meters per square second. Therefore the acceleration is 3 meters per square second. In order to find the distance, we can use the equation s equals ut plus half at square, where u is 0 into time taken is 10 seconds plus half into the acceleration we found it earlier, that is 3 meters per square second, and the time taken is 10 seconds square. Therefore we get the answer half into 3 into 100. If we simplify, we get 150 meters as the displacement. Also you can solve this by using the equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. The final velocity is 30 meters per second square. Velocity is 0 meters per second square, and 2 times 3 meters per square second, and let's say the displacement is s, and then we have, that is 150 meters. We can also use the equation s equals u plus v divided by 2 into t. The initial velocity is 0 and the final velocity is 30 divided by 2, and the time taken is 10. Therefore we get the answer 150 meters.